Ever wondered how to run an online store without worrying about inventory or shipping? Sounds too good to be true, right? Imagine a business model where you sell products without ever touching them. Intrigued? Let us reveal the secret. It's called dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method that's been revolutionizing the e-commerce industry. But what does this mean? Well, imagine you're running an online store. Instead of purchasing a bulk inventory, storing it, and then shipping out products as orders come in, you operate a bit differently. When a customer places an order, you purchase that specific item from a third-party supplier. This supplier then ships the product directly to your customer. In essence, you never touch the product. You're just the conduit between the customer and the supplier. This model comes with considerable advantages. For one, you don't need to tie up your cash in inventory. There's also no need to worry about storage costs or managing warehouse logistics. Plus, you're not left with unsold stock that can eat into your profits. So, dropshipping essentially allows you to be the middleman, connecting customers to products with ease and efficiency. Now, let's talk about the dropshipping market in India. The digital landscape in this vibrant country is expanding, with over 700 million users adding fuel to the e-commerce boom. But it's not all smooth sailing. The market has its own set of challenges, including logistical inefficiencies and cash flow management. Yet, the entrepreneurial spirit thrives, finding ways to turn these obstacles into opportunities. The Indian dropshipping market is not just surviving, it's poised to grow. According to the India Brand Equity Foundation, the dropshipping sector is projected to expand by an impressive 10% annually over the next 5 years. This growth is fueled by the increasing digital population, the rise in consumer spending, and the continuous evolution of online marketplaces. So, despite the challenges, the future of dropshipping in India is promising, with a potential annual growth of 10% over the next 5 years. But how can you make dropshipping work for you? Here are some strategies. First, choose the right supplier. It's imperative to partner with suppliers who understand the unique dynamics of the Indian market and can provide quick shipping. Second, utilize local platforms. Platforms like Shopify and Meesho are tailored for Indian audiences and offer seamless integration for dropshippers. Next, focus on customer service. Remember, excellent service leads to repeat customers. Managing returns efficiently and responding promptly to customer queries can set your business apart from the rest. Lastly, invest in digital marketing. With the growth of internet usage in India, an effective online presence, particularly through SEO and social media marketing, can drive substantial traffic to your online store. Implementing these strategies can help you navigate the dropshipping landscape in India successfully. In conclusion, dropshipping presents an exciting opportunity for aspiring online entrepreneurs in India. By understanding the market dynamics, partnering with the right suppliers, and leveraging digital marketing, you can navigate the challenges and make dropshipping work for you. With the right approach and strategies, you too can turn dropshipping into a profitable venture. So, are you ready to dive into the world of dropshipping?